One's on the phone. I could see the phone held just in front of his steering wheel. I believe it to be a man, young, dark hair, bearded, skinny. Kilo Yankee 18 Golf Uniform Hotel. Down. You can see his eyes are down in the left. Closing the window. I may have missed the chance. Because the sunglasses are back on. Oh, he is looking down again. Yes, good. I can see an active call there. I can see some WhatsApp going on. Oh yes. Oh dear. You're right there.
Dude.
I'm leaning in and filming you using your phone whilst driving along.
Why are you being an idiot for?
No, I'm not the one.
Are you even meant to be doing this? Like,
Doing what?
is this legal what you're doing?
You mean filtering on the offside?
Yeah.
It's in the highway code, my man.
And you're disturbing me. Like you could.
I'm
cause
filming.
an accident.
I'm going to report you now to the police.
Okay, please go ahead.
So within the next 14 days, you should get a letter.
Please go ahead.
Don't use your phone while driving.
Okay, thank you very much for the advice. Please go ahead. Are you
No, I'm not
go
going in
or
front
should I
of you.
go first?
You can go first.
Okay.
But I'm definitely reporting you, and after that it'll go on
No
YouTube.
problem. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike what?
Cycling Mikey, you can look
No,
here.
what's your name?
Carry on.
No, what's your name?
Carry on.
No, please, I'm asking you a question. What's your name?
I'm not going in front of you.
No, what's your name?
Told you.
What's your name?
Carry on.
No, I need to know your name if you're going to be reporting me.
You can find it out from the police if you need to.
Okay, so you have your name on there?
Yeah, probably will. They'll tell you, and assuming you see you in court, you'll definitely see my name.
Okay.
If you take the fixed penalty, you won't see it. A good 1,000 of you have had tickets via this way. And yeah, he was driving along, having a call. I could hear the secondary call, the person on the other end of the phone talking along, whilst he was. Yeah, he was on the phone. He was talking. Yeah, shouldn't do it, man. He was driving along, talking on it, you know. I mean, I know I catch them when they're stationary, but they usually use it when they're going. This chap was very impatient. He still got to the red light. You have a good day.
You get paid for it?
No, not by the police.
Why do you do it?
It's good citizenship, man.